Before your potential customers buy from you, they will probably message you. They will ask you for a couple more information on what you're able to do. They will ask you perhaps for a custom offer, or maybe there's something that they're unsure about and they just want to know whether you're offering it or not. And we set up a sample gig here for this course, and I actually received the first message, and this is the message that I received. This is a real message, and the person said, "Hello Leon, I would like to translate some PowerPoints into English/American. Do you do them until tomorrow? Or can you do them until tomorrow? I think we have some 5,000 words per PowerPoint. What do you think? With my best regards, Dimitri." So basically this person wanted me to translate something for him. And the one thing that you got to make sure is this: when someone messages you, make sure that you respond as quickly as possible. That is the first rule that I want to talk with you about. Generally, you should always, be the fastest one out there, because probably he didn't just message me, but actually a couple more freelancers on Fiverr, and the person that sends out the fastest, let's say, custom offer will probably get that job. This is also when I outsource anything on Fiverr. I don't just message one person, but actually like 5 maybe. And then whenever someone responds, I'm responding to them. And when they give me a great offer, I'm already gonna accept it, even though perhaps I haven't seen the offers of other people yet. So be very, very quick when you receive any kind of message from your potential customers. But there are 5 things that we now need to do. First of all, we want to thank this person for messaging us. So make sure that when you respond with a message to that person, that you first of all thank you so much for messaging me, and then ... then you can say whatever you like. Then you want to do the following. You want to find the main reason why they messaged you, and you probably ask yourself the main reason, of course, this person wants me to translate the PowerPoint. That's probably the main reason, right? No, the main reason for this message is that this person wants to get it done quickly. As you can see, the person says, "Can you do them until tomorrow?" So this person is in a hurry. This person really wants someone to do that right now. They don't want to wait another, let's say, 12 hours or 5 hours or something like that. They want it to get done right now. So that's the main reason why this person messaged you. So what you want to do is you want to state that main reason, which is number 3. Build your answer around that main reason. So you basically want to say, of course we can do that for you. We will do it in record time. We'll do it until tomorrow. We will be done by tomorrow, and so on and so on. So this person is confident that you actually will do it until tomorrow. Then also, and this is point number 4, you want to make sure that you already sent this person an offer. That you say, for 5,000 words, I'm going to do X, Y. So basically send them an offer, but not necessarily a custom offer yet. Because a custom offer will take you some work. Well, I mean, you could do it, but probably this person will tell you, to even lower that offer. But if you like, you can already send out a custom offer. If it's not too much work for you, you can do that. Just send out a custom offer and be like, yeah, that's my best price that I could give you. If you book it right now, we're going to get it done by tomorrow. You don't need to worry about anything. We will be done translating these 5,000 words until tomorrow. So make an offer. If you like, even send out a custom offer so this person can accept it right away, send you the files, and get done. Then number 5, wait for an answer. Keep the process short. So when, for instance, this person sends you an answer and has a couple more questions, answer these questions. But if this person doesn't have any more questions or doesn't want anything to know and just wants you to work, don't send out another 3 or 4 messages. This person doesn't want to chat with you. This person wants to get work done. You are a freelancer for them. You want to make that process as smooth and as uncomplicated as possible. And sending out another 10 messages will make it kind of complex and complicated. And you want to make sure that, of course, it is not like that. That this person will just give you the work. You will get it done. Send it to him tomorrow, and then the process is finished. So use this little, let's say, structure right here to send out an answer. You don't necessarily, have to incorporate every single point right here. You don't have to be perfect in terms of grammar or perhaps even spelling. This person just wants to make sure that you know what you're doing, that you're quick, that you're professional, and then you're good to go, which of course professional should mean that you don't have any spelling errors or don't have any grammar errors. But again, it's all about speed. It's all about making sure that you offer great services and that you actually get the work done. But alright, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we can see each other in the next one.